Snakes giving birth. It's hard to imagine how snakes give birth. They don't have legs or arms, and it's hard to see any exit point on their body. If that's not strange enough, then the fact that snakes all give birth differently will surely have you scratching your head. How snakes give birth can depend on if they are an oviparous snake, viviparous snake, or ovoviviparous snake. Oviparous snakes lay eggs, and the baby snakes have to do all the hard work to get themselves out of them. Most baby snakes are formed with an egg tooth, which is a type of tooth or protuberance they can use to break out. A viviparous snake, though, isn't laid in an egg. They stay in a yolk sac in the mother snake until they are fully formed. The snake then gives birth to its baby inside a membrane or sac, which travels through the maternal duct and out into the big, wide world. But if you're an ovoviviparous snake, then you're making your baby do a lot of hard work. Not only do they have to break out of a shell while in the womb, but they then have to travel out of the womb wild. Pregnant women probably look at tigers with envy when they realize just how long their pregnancies are. While humans have to carry a baby for 9 months, a tiger will only remain pregnant for about 3.5 months. If you're now wondering why you've never seen a pregnant tigress on your favorite wildlife shows, then there's a reason for that. They only start looking like they are pregnant in the last 10 to 12 days of their pregnancy. So any tigress you see could be pregnant, but you just don't know it. And unlike many women who prepare their nursery months in advance, a tigress does everything at the last minute. Just a few days before giving birth, she'll look for somewhere safe but in proximity to prey to give birth and hide her cubs. Her litter may have up to 7 cubs in it, but the average is around 3. Then, within 18 to 24 months, she'll be getting ready to give birth to more cubs. As if one set of triplets wasn't tiring enough. Dogs. Everyone knows that dog is man's best friend, so it's always quite exciting when you find out your furry friend is expecting. Not only do you have man's best friend, but you've got the man's best friend's children too. A dog's pregnancy lasts typically for around 65 days, and about 98% of dogs require no assistance with the birthing process. After roughly a month of pregnancy, they'll begin to grow teats, but their belly doesn't really begin to grow in size until the last couple of weeks before she's due. When the delivery process happens, a dog will have contractions roughly every 30 minutes. A placenta is passed for each puppy, and there's generally around 1 puppy born every half an hour.
Hi, baby.
It's not uncommon for her to take a break after delivering a few puppies for a couple hours, though. As each puppy is born, the mother dog knows exactly what she's doing. She roughly licks them to improve their circulation and allow them to breathe. She'll then bite through the umbilical cord like she's an old